Ikoni to koro jochiw thieth ma wuok kanye kaunti nendo ma Meru ochungo kanyo ng'anyo margi e toko kane giseketo kanyo kokgi oko ne giketo kokgi winjruok mane gibedoe e kindgi kod tend sirikal nendo mar kaunti kokalo kanyo eko e riwruok ma jochiw thieth mano endo mar KMPDU. Winjruok ma giketo kuno koro biro neno kanyo eko ni weche duto mane opedhi mesa mar nyim kaunti no koro biro timo kata biro chopo kare ka bende winjruok ma kamano endo biro neno kanyo eko ni dwach lakteche go chopo kare mano endo moting'o koda kamano eko mar neno kanyo ne ochwalgi kanyo eko e ngas manyime mag telo.
Our intention of the union is never to measure the success of our strikes by how much patients suffer. And we also hope that the employer will also know that we don't have to strike for them to do what is right. If you continue talking, if you continue engaging, we should never have to get to a point that patients have to suffer for us to sit down and talk. We are all adults of safe and sound minds, and the issue we raise are valid concerns that if we just talk and meet, we don't have to fight.
Tunashukuru county government kwamba wameweza kutusikiza na tumeweza kufika wakati wa mawasiliano. Kwa hivyo tunaambia wagonjwa wetu wakienda kwa hospitali watapata huduma ndani ya Meru County, na tunaweka imani kwamba county government ya Meru vile tumekubaliana wataweza kutimiza kila kitu.
We are grateful that we have agreed madaktari warudi kazini so that beginning immediately the doctors were able to go back to work today, latest tomorrow morning. The members of the public can start experiencing a new environment at the hospital facilities.
Is to call upon our the residents, the citizens of Meru County, to inform them that services are back to normalcy beginning tomorrow morning. Then the other thing, we want to appreciate the cooperation from the union and also from the county executive, and also to thank His Excellency Governor Isaac Mutuma for what he has been able to do in the